Welcome to Ecobot YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use multiple line selector or multiple cursor in Sublime text. As a developer, you may use in Sublime text today it is very popular. Not only as a developer, if you are a writer, an administrative person, then you might using Sublime text. In your day-to-day life, you are working with Sublime text, you might need to change multiple line at some similar character, end line, or whatever thing with this article or any text document. Let me show how to do it. I'll type here, welcome to the code. Okay, so I copy this line, multiple lines. So now let's assume you need to add the dot button at the end of each line. What you'll do is you'll type manually one by one. So if the document is very lengthy, it will be very hard to read and time consuming. So what you have to do is you just have to select all first. I will take the screen keyboard to make it easy. Just click Control A. This is sorry, Control A. Just click select all the lines. This is normal thing we already know. Then click on Control Shift and A. Control Shift and A together. Shift A. Now you can see multiple lines as easily. If you click on one line, it will go vanish again. But you'll do Control A, Control Shift A. Now click on wherever place to cancel multiple, so select all, and now your multiple selections started. Let's say now you need to add dot at the end of each line. Click on dot. It's very easy. Hold on. So we have to go to, let's say you need to add something at the front of the line, beginning of the line. Let's try I. Okay, it's very easy. Just assume there is a line for you. I tried on my keyboard program. Okay, so there are various lengthy files are here right now. Now still if you need to add something at the end, you can do the same way. And you can see just click on this one, and let's say if you need to add this one, you can add it here. And if you need to cancel the multiple selector, multiple cursor, you can click on escape. Now it will be a single line cursor. Did you see that? I guess this video will helpful to you to make your life easier with Sublime text. If you get anything from this video, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell button. Thank you very much.